Today I'm installing an embedded socket box. We have a new TV that we're hanging up and we want it to be flat against the wall. So I'm going to be replacing this outlet with the recessed one. So first you want to make sure that you've turned the power off. So my reader says 0 volts down there. So we're good to take it off the wall. We'll unscrew this screw holding the black wire and that screw holding the white one and the green one holding the ground. So I loosened all those screws, disconnected my 3 wires, and I'm popping this box out so I can put my new one in. I have my new box and I've lined it up with the corner that's already existing and traced it so I know where to cut. I've been working on this for a few minutes. Cutting, I don't have any fancy drywall knives and it's actually pretty difficult to cut through drywall, but I am just using a serrated red knife and it's working just fine. So for my box, we need to pop this out for the wires to come up through the bottom. So putting this piece in here, put this cover on top. It comes with these 2 screws that go in these holes here. And then on the back side, we'll connect these pieces. Now I've just screwed these screws all the way through on these black pieces on both sides. I fed the wires up through my hole, and now I'm going to position the box into the wall with these black pieces flat, and once it's in the wall, I'm going to tighten the screw so that these are facing up and it's in position. So I think I'm going to even screw this in a little closer. So those black flag pieces, obviously once it's in the wall, I can't see where they're at. So you could just measure how thick your drywall is to have that much of the screw showing, and then, you know, turn it 90 degrees so that it's facing upward. Now we just reinstall the socket, putting the wires back on the screws they were. Okay, I got those connected. Now we're gonna put the screws for the top and bottom and these holes. Okay, got that screwed in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the power back on to double check that it's working. Just turned my power back on and checked and got a good reading, so it looks like it got set up correctly. Now I can put this plate on and screw it in. And now I can screw this on. Beautiful, and now my TV can plug in here and lay a little bit more flat against the wall.